Number 36. New strains of the crop plant wheat can be produced by crossbreeding disease-resistant plants with those that give high yields of grain. So, the crop plant wheat can be reproduced by crossbreeding disease-resistant plants with those that give high yields of grain. So this is crossbred with this. So this is a classic example of artificial selection. Artificial selection is formed by selective breeding. So selective breeding leads to the artificial selection, and all these new strains of crop plants gain an ability. Actually, they don't actually gain ability, they're offsprings. Their offsprings will gain ability to become a disease resistant. Okay? So the answer should be B.